I love German Shepherds, so much so that my friends make fun of me for it. But today, we are not drawing the most legal dog known to man. Today, we are drawing this cute, flat-faced French bulldog. Just like the previous video, we're starting with shapes and general form to map the idea of the piece. I can be a messy planner, but you don't have to be. You just do what you need to convey the idea in a way you can understand. The dog's face was too wide for my liking, so I used the transform tool or Control T to adjust that. I draw my placement lines to make sure everything is even. Your drawings don't always have to be perfect at this stage. You can do some additional adjustments during the inking stage. I use the lasso tool to draw around the eye. Then while holding Alt V, I can slide the eye over. I finish off by flipping it horizontally in transform mode. You right click to get the drop down menu. I'm cheating a little more this time around. I like to be efficient, but if you want to manually draw the second ear, feel free to do so. So now to start filling our French bulldog with some color. I like the rough sketch lines. They can add personality, so sometimes I'll leave them hanging around. Whenever I make a line that I'm not satisfied with, I use Control Z to take a step back and try again. You may have to redraw the same line several times until it looks the way you want. That's normal. You want to add another color? Make it in another layer. While I haven't done so, it's important to name your layers. That way you're not shuffling around as I am. You finish off with some shading in appropriate spots. And done.